Okay, so hello and welcome back to another video on my channel. As you can tell, something's a bit different here. We're not in Unity and we're not in Visual Studio Code. We're in Beatsaber because I haven't done a video in a few days and I am kind of holding back on tutorials till after the competition deadline that I'm entering next Wednesday. So I thought, I've never really done anything other than, coding on the channel. So I thought for my 5,000 subscriber special, it would be, pretty fun to do a VR, like Beatsaber, not tutorial, sorry, this isn't a tutorial, it's just a video, just as something fun for 5,000 subs. Obviously, thanks to you guys for getting me to this point, but the sake of this video is going towards helping Pewdiepie versus T-Series. I'm going to be playing Bitch Lasagna, so I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the end.
I don't like your T-Series. Nothing personal, kid. But I must go all out. Just this once. Bob's or Vagana, whichever will it be. Set the fuck down, T-Series. I'm here to spill the real tea. You're trying to dethrone me from spot on number one, but you in the air you lose. So best think you haven't won. When I'm through with you, we're gonna be completely fucking done. Cause we only just begun. I review you. Zero by the gun. So come on, T-Series, looking hungry for some drama. Here, let me serve you bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. Look at T-Series, they just crying for the mama. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series just put themselves in their pajama. Who the hell is Bob and why you wanna kiss him? Ew. I'm a blue-eyed white dragon while you're just dark magician. Ooh. You gotta fit of the population in your nation, but I got 90 rolls of world to hold your defecation. Multipatlo, what the fuck is that even supposed to mean? Your language sounds like it come from a mumble rap community. No papa, yes papa, Johnny. Now down a load of sugar and let's throw this fucking party with some bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. Look at T-Series, they just crying for the mama. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. Look at T-Series, they just wet in their pajama. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. You got a population of 1.32 billion, but most your videos can't seem to believe in a billion.
Nope, didn't play the outro. Oh well. So yeah, obviously that was a really short video, but thanks for watching. It's a bit harder to play Beat Saber when you've got the lag of recording with OBS, which I don't usually have when playing. And I am going to keep to that excuse for doing bad there. I mean, I only missed a few, but yeah, so thanks for 5k subs. Go subscribe to Pewdiepie. Go subscribe to me if you haven't, if you want to. But apart from that, thanks for watching, and goodbye.